Women in this community spend from 30 to 70% of their income to pay for the transport. Buying at village gate is critical.
Since we live in this far from town rural area, it'll be very hard for us to call a vehicle to come up and then pick all the products. Expenses is really high. So what we always do, we go on horsebacks and then we transport all the products from here to another village down. And then they have vehicles that wait from there, they load the products and then to where it always goes.
Women in our community is a strong women.